adding keyboard text replacement, you would need to go to the general section of the settings, then select text replacement, and then you will click the plus on the upper right corner. As you notice, I have a few already built. So for instance, I may go over and add the phrase headed home. I use this phrase frequently when I'm texting on my way home. And so I can type in the phrase heading home, maybe add an emoji for the home icon. And then once I choose my emoji, I can add a shortcut. I'm going to type in HH. I'm going to click save. Now, when I go to my Notes app, all I have to do, type in the HH, then it says headed home. I can also use this when I'm using my signature on my email. So I type in PRLU. That's my signature. So to do a text replacement, I'm going to go to Settings, and then General, select Text Replacement, click on the plus, and type in a phrase and a shortcut.